Hey everyone! So, is your Grammarly Premium suddenly not working? Maybe premium features like advanced suggestions, tone detection, or AI rewriting aren't available, even though you're subscribed. Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you rely on those tools for writing. In this video, I'll show you several simple ways to fix Grammarly Premium not working in 2026. These steps usually take just a few minutes to get everything back online. First, log in to your Grammarly account and check your subscription status. Make sure your premium subscription is active and that you're using the correct account. Sometimes being logged into a free account causes premium features to be disabled. Next, try logging out of Grammarly and then logging back in. This refreshes your account permissions and can restore premium features if they were temporarily unavailable. Make sure you're using the latest version of Grammarly, whether it's the browser extension, desktop app, or a mobile app. Outdated versions can prevent premium features from showing. Clearing your browser cache or app data can also help. Sometimes stored data can interfere with account features, and clearing it forces the app to load fresh. Grammarly Premium requires an active internet connection to load advanced features. If your internet is unstable or disconnected, some premium tools may not work properly. If none of these steps work, the issue may be account specific. Contact Grammarly support. They can verify your subscription and help restore premium features. And that's it. Most issues with Grammarly Premium not working can be fixed by checking your subscription, logging back in, or updating the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.